To get used to Dr. Malcolm. He suffers from a deplorable excess of personality, especially for a mathematician.
Chaotician, actually. John doesn't subscribe to chaos, particularly what it has to say about his little science project.
Odswallop, Ian. You've never been able to sufficiently explain your concern.
Oh, John, don't. Because of the behavior of the system in phase space.
A load, if I may say so, of fashionable number crunching. I do wish you wouldn't do
Dr.
that.
Sattler, Dr. Grant, you've heard of chaos theory?
No.
No? Nonlinear equations? Strange attractors.